Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can control many of the default behaviors and options of Crystal Reports by using the Options dialog box. Changes that are made here will affect all users of the installed instance of the application, so you should only make changes here if you are fully aware of how the changes will impact Crystal Reports and the other users on your machine. This is not like the Report Options dialog box where changes made affect only the selected report. Changes made within the Options dialog box are global in nature. To view the Options dialog box, select File and then choose the Options command. In the Options dialog box, you can select the tab name which contains the attributes that you would like to set. Then change any settings as needed within that tab, and then click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box to apply the selected settings. Note that you can click on the name of any tab displayed in the Options dialog box, and then click the Help button in the lower right corner of the dialog box to display a help file that lists the specific options which you can choose to set on that tab. The file opens in a separate window, which you can close when you're finished reading it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.